everyone. I am just going to go over a brief idea of some of the trades I've looked at today, some of the charts. I will start with the one that I actually did place a trade on with yesterday, that is Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So what made me decide to take this trade was, first of all, I went to the daily. I saw a nice head and shoulders pair. I saw it broke out of this area, came out retested this area. And now I think it should land about somewhere down here and should continue to keep going down. So I went to the hourly, then I also saw a tweezer pattern which confirmed my bias about the pair dropping. Another thing that I looked at is the retail sentiment. So we'll go to that. So as you can see, the majority of retail traders are going long. And I like to stay out. I like to do the opposite of what most of the retail traders are doing. That's because the people that move these markets the most are the banks and the institutions, and they tend to go in a different direction than the retail traders. So some other ideas I was looking at were British pound, Australian dollar. As you can see, I already drew this out. Let me refresh this chart. As you can see, we got a nice wedge pattern. It's not ready to take a trade yet. And I saw that this was on some big resistance around here. And let's go back down to the hourly. So something like a breakout of this trend line right up here, a breakout retest, or it could possibly break below here. But it's still too early to tell. I really do want to look for a bullish entry on here if I decide to take it, because it is on some good support on the daily. So now let's go back to the other trade I was looking at. This is NZDCAD. I already drew out the support and resistance areas for this. So hoping that's not right yet. It looked like it almost broke out of there. But I want to wait for something to break above here and then retest. I want to wait for a good strong breakout before considering to enter either as a buy, or it could either break down below here and go for a sell. And let's take a look at the daily. All right. As you can see, we have some pullback here possibly. Let me draw out a fib. So we can possibly get into the 0.016 area, wait for it to enter into there, and see if it holds that level, and we can consider buying from there. These are my ideas for the day. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like if you did, and thanks for watching.